Hello everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So for those who caught that awful live video on Dollar Tree on Saturday when I was shopping, and I do apologize for the quality of that live video. I guess I didn't have a good internet connection or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, so some of you saw a few things that I got and some of you didn't. So let me just get in with the haul. There was a few things that I got that I did not show on camera. And so one of them was this little plastic, it says it's a ladies clear plastic bag. But when I thought I could use this is when I come, like, take pencils or coloring book or something with me, or something to do, you know, when I'm in the doctor's office or whatever, or even planner supplies. I still do a planner. I know y'all haven't seen my planner in forever and a day. But anyway, I just thought it was a cute little bag, so I picked that up. And then in the teacher, not the teacher section, in the back to school section, they had these command strips. I needed to pick a couple of these up. They're really good ones because I wanted to hang my basket on it. A basket that you're going to be seeing shortly that I made. This is Laura. She's helping me. Okay, on the store, in front of the store, they had these books on sale. Now, I'm not going to read this book, but, you know, if you've ever seen me do the junk journals or anything with the books, I'll look for the ones that aren't bound. And I'm going to be starting a new series this Wednesday on junk journaling and stuff. And so, I'm not sure I'm going to use this Wednesday, but I'm thinking about, I'm going to be cutting this book apart, I know, and I'm going to be using this for my junk journal that I'm going to be doing. Okay, so then next in their back to school section, hand me all of them. She's got to help me. They had some more decorative socks, and I love socks. Of course, I don't wear a lot right now, but in the wintertime I will, but in the fall. But these were really cute. They had little pineapples on them. And they really don't match the kind of theme, but they had pineapples on this side, and then they had the gray dot. So gray must be popular this year. But I do like these socks. They wear really nice, and they're thick, and they feel good. And then I found these, the pink and gray, with little cactuses on them. I thought those were really cute. And then the other pair, they had the pink and gray stripes. And then I found one more pair that these were kind of like a, I don't know, chevron pattern, not chevron pattern, but like little diamonds right here on this one. I really got them for this side of the black and white polka dots because I love my polka dots. But anyway, so I picked up those things, so I got those. Okay, let's do all of them at one time. Alright, can you hold on, Lisa? She's wanting to help. So hold that and we'll show them all at one time, okay? Hang on. Okay. Alright, so then on the sticker aisle, I found, well, this was actually in the home decor, but it is a sticker. But I'm going to be doing a canvas with this. But this is so pretty. It's the mirror images. It says Paris, and then it has the Eiffel Tower, and then it has like a little rose. This is complete picture of it. I don't know if that didn't help it. Anyway, that's what it looks like. I thought it was really cute. Gareth told me it had my name written all over it. So I really was going to Dollar Tree with an intense purposes of just buying things that I actually needed for my home. But then I found some new stickers that I did not have. And these are little shaker stickers, but they're so cute. They're totally different than the shaker stickers they had before. And I'm see if they're the Jot brand. Yep, Greenbrier International. So, but these are so cute. It says great for scrapbooking, card making, decorating notebooks, and so much more. And they're all different, and you can tell by the label on the front. So, like this one has cats and dogs, and it says out of this world, give me some space. And this one says reach for the stars. But these are really cute. I thought they were really cute. See if I can put them close enough so they won't be such a glare. And then they had these right here. They say, hello, thank you, just a note, awesome, a heart, and then love ya. Yes, maybe better like that. And then these were, these are really cute. They're all about bees, and it says, be beautiful, be kind, don't worry, be happy, believe. And then it has some little bees on it, and it says, sweet as can be. Thought that was really cute. These were really cute stickers. I mean, and the fact that they just have different labels on them, I thought were really cute. And then here's one that I know several people would like. It's the Rainbows and Unicorns. It's called Unicorns. And it says, it's all about rainbows and unicorns. Just be magical. And it has unicorns on it.
And a heart.
And rainbows and a heart. And then this one I thought about Gareth, because he just did that cute little donut card. If you hadn't seen that, go over to Create at Home with G and check out that card. It's so cute. But anyway, it says, so sweet. You're so sweet. Treat yourself. I love you. This many sprinkles. That's my favorite one on here. But it's the only donuts I can eat right now. I mean, you know, have right now. So
can I show you
I love
what
that
I
one.
love?
Wait a minute. And then this is really cute. These are more girly, shabby pink, but I love the little label on it. But it says, girl boss, you're a strong, you go girl. She believed she could, so she did. Fierce. Fierce, and it's a girl thing. So I thought those were really cute. So those were the stickers. And then we found some new, I don't need those yet. Found some new planner stickers. And these were really cute. So these was a different theme on them. This is more kind of girly, but they have different little banners. Says, today is the day, such a great day, bright ideas, TGIF, let's do this. Then it's got the pay bills and things. They look like this. And then on the back, which is what caught me, it had like little coffee cups that says break on it, so like coffee break. And shopping carts, meetings. It's got little
nail polish.
Nail polish, thank you, on the back. So I thought that was really cute. So you can schedule your mani-pedis. And this one says, you got this, never quit, keep going, no pain, no gain. Push yourself. So this reminds me of...
And there's a little tiny clock.
Yeah, like a stopwatch. So this reminds me of fitness planner type deal. But it's really cute.
And there's a heart, a little tiny heart.
And then the back, this is for meal prep and stuff. On the back, it's got breakfast, lunch, dinner, and I may have to go back.
And big clocks.
I may have to go back and get some more of this because this is really cute. Let's see, that is really cute. Start working in my fitness planner again. And then this one, it says, me time, family time, date night, big day, be happy, it was a good day, dinner date, goals, so things like that.
Be night.
Yeah. This club, this is pretty much all about family.
It says, be night by yourself.
And then the back has like little cupcakes, things for girls' night out, date night, just
and
really cute.
And word stars.
And then this one is more geared to holidays, and it's really cute. It's got Luck of the Irish, Party Spring is here, Let's Camp, Happy Life, Give Thanks, Boo, Hello Fall, Let It Snow, Oh What Fun, and Merry and Bright. So it's all about holidays, and that is really, really, really cute. And then the back has holiday things on there. It's got like Memorial Day, Happy Spring, St. Patrick's Day, Happy Easter, Happy Valentine's Day, Love You, Spring Break, Love is in the Air, Time Change, Life is Good, Hello Summer, 4th of July, Summer Vacation, Veterans Day, Hello Fall. Y'all, this is just really, really cute. I didn't take time to look at all of these when I picked them up, but these are really cute. I may have to just toddle on back and pick up a few of those. So So those are the new planner stickers. Yes, ma'am. Okay. And then, I guess this is in no particular order because this was actually found. I had been asking several people about these storage bags that look like jars. And several of you who were online at the time with me with a live said they were awesome. And so I picked up 2 of these. One is for me, and one's going to Cheryl'sCraftyWorld.com. Anyway, Cheryl, she's been looking for some mason jars and stuff, so I thought I would send her one of these. And then, y'all, okay, I had to have this. This is kind of a private joke between me and Gareth, but I finally had to get me a back scratcher because my back is itching right now. Oh!
My back is itching.
And it works so good.
Oh, my back is itching.
Yes. You want me to scratch your back? Of course, I had to get it in blue so it matched everything in the house. Then, also, I could have got tons more of these, but I didn't. They have the new calendars out for 2019. Now, this one is on lighthouses, and it got turned around sideways. But you get 2 calendars for $1. You get a small one and a large one. And look at how lovely these are. Now, I will be using some of this stuff in projects. You know I never use anything for what it's intended for. But I got these to use on some you know, DIYs and stuff. And then they have one that's tropical beaches. And then the small one says sunsets. And this is what the big one looks like on the back. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. I love this one that just says beach. I got to finish up a project for Goldie for her challenges at the end of this month. Oh, I hope I can get it done. So then they have some new magnetic photo frames. And, you know, these are just chipboard. They're not wood. But this had that wood grain feel to it. I'm going to put this on my fridge for holding notes and stuff. But look how cute. I love the wood grain. Now, on my live video, I showed they had several different other kinds. They had one that was a brown, like weathered wood that said family on it. And they had several different kinds of these. But this is the one that I chose because I love the blue. It matches my kitchen. Then I got, well, I don't need to pull all these out. But I got these right here. These little pencil holders. I actually got, well, all of the head. I had got 6 of these. And you're going to be seeing me do a DIY with those pretty soon. And this is something that I have been looking for forever. And that is a metal ruler. And they finally got some metal rulers in. And I wanted some of these so that when I cut with my blade, I won't cut my other rulers. And it came with a little jacket to stay in. I thought that was really cool. And then I picked up another contour brush, the Wet n Wild brush. Therese, you're a genius. I learned of this from Therese, who was TFriday77 here on YouTube. And she uses these brushes to do her Mod Podge and stuff. And I picked up another one of these because they're brilliant. The hair doesn't come out of it. The bristles don't come out. It's brilliant with it. Then I picked up a couple of more household items that match my kitchen. I love these little veggie storage things. And I have several of them, but I managed to find one, just one, with the colors that I use. So I picked that up. And then I did pick up another soup mug that I showed y'all last time in this color, so I would have a set of them. Alright, so y'all, this is Sherry, Aloha Sherry's fault. Because I really wasn't going to get these. But, okay, you see these? These are little, look, Rubbermaid. Rubbermaid. Okay? And they're like miniature totes. It's small spaces totes. And it says, ideal for crafts, office supplies, accessories, and small parts. Y'all, look, it's a tote. How adorable is this? I know I shouldn't get so excited, but it is such a cute little container. And I thought, I don't know if I have a use for these, but I'm going to find a use for these. They're just adorable. So I picked up 2 pink ones, and I already showed you these. And then, I don't need this now, but I'll stash it away. I picked up this because my battery is running low on my camera after I sat there and did a live video for almost an hour. So I picked up one of those, but I wound up not using it. And then I just got toilet paper.
And more toilet paper?
No, this is paper towels. And my Bounty paper towels. Now, I think these are great deals from the Dollar Tree because... I think this is a great deal from Dollar Tree because... thank you, Laura, for helping me.
You're welcome.
Because they're like $1.50, $1.99 or something. And there's not the Bounty Basics. That's the real full-size Bounty. So, let me put them back in there, babe. So, yeah, that's why I got that. So, that is my haul. Now, next week, I will not have a haul for you. I do have a DIY that I've already done, and you will see that next week. I was going to do it this week, but I actually have another project I'm sending out this week to you guys. It is my thrift store find project. If you remember,
scratch back.
leave that out. If you remember the little thrift store basket that I picked up, I did something with that, and so I'm excited to show you that. So that video will be out this week too. So I'll have a Dollar Tree DIY for you next week instead of a haul. Because my manager said she didn't think anything new was coming out in the next, little days or whatever. She would let me know if there did. And if there is, then I'll definitely let you know. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me for this little haul. I'm excited about the new planner stickers and the other little shaker stickers. I think they are adorable. So, I can't wait, So I can't wait to start using some of this stuff, and I can't wait to start showing you my planner again. I promise I'm going to do it soon. Alright, have a great week. I will see you guys tomorrow with my From Russia with Love kit from Natasha's Scrapbook Corner. I am designing things from this kit, and so I'm really excited about that. So I will see you all again really soon, and have a wonderful day. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, because I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to tap the bell. Alright guys, see you, bye.